My image to my skin with a dull knife and forgot it hurt. For I fell in love with the sound of broken skin and the look of flowing blood. The glimmer of the knife drives me wild and sometimes insane, because I know it enjoys this pain much more than and I aim to please. That's how I've always been. So I choose to please this knife, for its pain never surprises me, its effects never catch me off guard, but you I can't handle. There are shards of my broken personality in the pit of my stomach because of the countless numbers of times you made me bite my tongue. I regurgitate spinal fluid whenever you command me to come and I obey. I am not dumb, just afraid. Your love is a conscious swig of bleach every morning, but it doesn't burn going down, for it blinds and binds me to you. This relationship is lethal, and I'm afraid to say it to your face. So I tattooed my pains past my image to my skin with a dull knife and forgot it hurt. For I fell in love with the sound of broken skin and the look of flowing blood, because for once I was doing it on my own terms, inflicting my own pain. Unlike the feeling of your two big hands crashing into my chest, I for once am inflicting my own pain. Unlike the ripple effect of my rib cage crashing and vibrating into each other, one after the other, no, this pain is my own. I can predict the outcome. Because you think after that my ribs would be throbbing, but that never happened. Instead, my eardrums popped and my nerve rewired itself. You see, because I've learned to forget how pain felt, and my body never reacts directly to your intentions. I guess you can call it anatomical rebellion, but I choose to tattoo my pains past my image to my skin with a dull knife, and forget the pain from within, for I've always fallen in love with the sound of broken skin and the look of flowing red blood, the look of flowing red blood, the look of flowing red blood that always seemed to mesmerize me, the fact that it always seemed to stop flowing, clotting at the scene of the crime without any conscious decision on my part to stop it. I'm physically efficient but mentally hindered. I'm only physically efficient if I don't cut too deep or touch the wrong place, but I think that's what you've done, and I always wonder if I was mentally efficient enough to at least make a conscious decision to blot you out, but you stabbed me in my aorta, and instead of red blood, I saw my spirit seeping out as if it were free. And then I thought back onto when I tattooed my pain past my image to my skin with a dull knife to forget the pain, because I fell in love with the sound of broken skin and the look of flowing red blood, a far easier drug to take, and then I realized my red blood was once blue. I never considered air to be a variable.